How to change phone number on Amazon without phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change phone number on Amazon without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change your phone number but you don't have your existing number, you can still change it as long as you are logged in to your account. So you can open up your Amazon application here, then you can just come to the account page, then just go to your account here. Once you go to your account, under account settings you will find this option called login and security. Once you go to login and security, over here you can see primary mobile number, right? So you can just tap on the edit option over here. Then once you tap on the edit option, it will directly ask you to enter a new number that you want to use. It will not tell you to verify it. So just enter the new number you want to use, tap on continue, verify with the OTP code for the new number, by the way, and then you'll be able to change your phone number on Amazon without phone number. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.